In today's tutorial, we're going to be making a fantastic dancing animation, and we're going to be learning what an animation is as well. We're going to use two sprites to create this animation. Here are some examples of animations. An animation is a collection of photographs that when you play them very quickly together, it looks like things are moving. This is because each picture is a copy of the last one with a little bit changed. That's why I can make them look faster and slower when they're being animated. Let's get started with our Scratch animation. Head on over to Scratch and hit Start Creating. From there are some fantastic tutorials, but we'll come back to those another time. From here, let's create a backdrop. So in the very bottom right, I want to create a dancing at the concert, so I've selected the concert. Using the left mouse button, drag the sprite into position, and then over on the left side under events, grab the when the green flag is clicked. This means that when we press the green flag to start the animation, it'll do what we've told it to do. So first of all, let's get it moving. To do this, under Looks, grab Next Costume, and when you press a green flag, you'll see it changes just once. We don't want it just once though, we want it forever. So, under Control, grab the Forever loop, and you'll now see that it's going absolutely crazy. So, under the Control block, let's put in a wait function, and with 1 second pause between each loop, there we go, we've got a fantastic dancing sprite. This only works with sprites which have multiple costumes, and what that means is that there's one picture where the sprite is with his legs down and another with his legs up. But we can also get him to say things as well. So under Looks, I've grabbed a Say block and I've clicked on the text to change it to Let's Dance. Let's add another sprite. So under the sprite tool that I've clicked on, I'm going to choose someone now, and by holding your mouse over the characters, you can see their costumes. This means each little picture of the character. I've chosen this fantastic dancing character, however they're really big. So down here where it says size, I'm going to change the number down from 100 to a smaller value. If I wanted half of 100, I could choose 50. But I'm just going to play it by ear, have a look at the size, and I've turned it down there. You'll notice that it looks like all of those blocks have vanished. That's because the blocks are still there for the cat, but not there for the dancing woman. So let's create this again. Under the events, let's grab the green flag, under Control, the Forever loop, and under Looks, Next Costume. But it's doing the same thing again, going so fast. So under the Control, grab Wait 1 second, and then when you press the green flag, they'll cycle through those animations at a lot slower pace. And there you have it. You've created your very first dancing animation using sprites. We can still take this further by on the left side scrolling down to Sensing and then grabbing a function set that says Ask what's your name and wait. This means that the person playing the animation now actually has to type in something before going on to the next part of your code. Your code is the language that you're writing in, and the language are these blocks at the moment. Let's get the sprite to reply to the answer. So grab the answer block, go all the top to Looks, and get the Say block. We could just say their name back to us, but if we want to join our own message, under the operators, which is green, grab the join and the two parts there. So one part is going to be the answer, the name they type in, and we can type a message like dance with us. So if you type your name in, I'll type mine as Woody, it'll say dance with us Woody, because it's joined those two things together, and then she'll say them. Let's test it. When you've finished typing your message, you can press enter on your keyboard or use the mouse to click on the tick. And now when we run the animation, you should see that the answer that you've given comes up by what they say back to us, because they join together their message with the answer that you've typed in. Thank you ever so much for watching this episode, and I'll see you on the next one.